Yeah man, turn up the level. Jah Light on the rhythm now. All them past and present. This one a reasoning. Na 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 na. Royal daughter, ancient order. True towards our border. Mama Africa step firm. No fear, no disorder. Wrap up our crown with a purpose so divine. Moving in alignment like she walking with the shrine. She rise with the sunrise, heart clean like spring. Wisdom in her eyes like she hear creation sing. Queens who fight oppression with courage in them stance. Nurturer, warrior, balance in every dance. She guard the youth like lioness guarding the den. Strength in her voice when she counsel the men. Self-worth never shaken by vanity or trend. Foundation so solid, not even time could bend. The queens from long time. Structure so right, modern time queens. Still shining bright, but the journey different. The culture sway, so Jah Light come for reason in a truthful way. Now in a this era, everything fast paced. Validation in a scroll, self-value in a like race. Some sisters elevate, power of dedication tall. Some lost in the algorithm that no care about them at all. Filter shape reality, illusions get sold. Pressure upon the empress, feel look young, never old. But still many rise, break system and chain. Carry ancient fire, do the world bring strength. Some queens build business, raise little faith. Some search for identity in a digital state. Confusion and empowerment, walking side by side. A paradox journey, them can't even hide. Them navigating trauma, ancestors never choose. Fighting expectations that society still use. So much strength in the spirit, do the path twists and turns. Still the heart of a woman, only eternal burns. So who is she today? A reflection of before. Evolving with the times, but still rooted to the core. The essence remain, do the world rearrange. No matter the era, the queen energy never change. The queens then queens now, rising then anyhow. Through the pressure, through the pain, still them wear the crown. Every generation different, but the soul stay true. So Jah Light ask the people what the future fi do. So tell me family, in a world that changing faster than a heartbeat can play, what kind of queen shall rise tomorrow? The one we shape or the one we stray?